Today we're exploring the journey of the USS Gerald R. Ford, CVN 78, the lead ship of her class and the most technologically advanced aircraft carrier in the world. As the first new carrier design in over 40 years, the Ford has navigated a complex path, from being a subject of intense technological scrutiny to becoming a battle-tested symbol of American naval power. So, where is the Gerald Ford now? Let's find out. The Ford recently completed a landmark 2024-2025 deployment that solidified its status as the centerpiece of U.S. power projection. Originally surged to the eastern Mediterranean in late 2023 to deter regional escalation during the Israel-Hamas conflict, the carrier remained on station for over 240 days, earning praise for its high sortie generation rate made possible by its new electromagnetic catapult system. After returning to its home port for a scheduled maintenance phase and crew rest, the carrier spent much of late 2025 conducting training exercises off the Atlantic coast to integrate its new air wing and prepare for the next chapter of its service life. The USS Gerald R. Ford is once again at the forefront of global operations. Following the successful completion of its post-deployment sustainment phase, the carrier was recently tasked with a new mission involving heightened security in the European theater. The ship has been a focal point for military analysts and naval enthusiasts, especially as the U.S. Navy continues to showcase the capabilities of its advanced weapon elevators and radar systems in real-world scenarios. Where is the Gerald Ford now? As of now, the USS Gerald R. Ford is currently underway in the North Atlantic Ocean, heading toward the North Sea. She is the flagship of the Gerald R. Ford Carrier Strike Group, GRFCSG, and is participating in a series of high-level multinational exercises with NATO allies, including the United Kingdom and Norway. These operations are designed to enhance maritime security and showcase the interoperability of NATO's most advanced naval assets. Professionally, the ship's crew of over 4,500 sailors is focused on maintaining the operational readiness of the EMALS, Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System, and the AAG, Advanced Arresting Gear. While the carrier is currently at sea, it remains home-ported at Naval Station Norfolk in Virginia. In early 2026, the ship has been particularly active in testing the integration of the next generation of unmanned aerial vehicles, drones, directly from its flight deck, a move that is expected to define the future of naval aviation. The USS Gerald R. Ford has transformed from a controversial, first-in-class vessel into a proven lethal asset that leads with its technological edge. While it continues to face the challenges of maintaining such complex systems, it proves that it is no longer interested in fitting into the neat little box of its predecessor Nimitz-class carriers, prioritizing its lethal capabilities and the safety of the seas above all else. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on your favorite massive machines and their journeys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.